Ferrari is about to unleash a new hypercar that could redefine speed and performance. Stick around to discover what we know so far about the successor to the legendary LaFerrari. New Ferrari hypercars are rare, appearing only once a decade, and Maranello is notoriously good at keeping their designs secret until the big reveal. However, it seems the brand's top customers might have received a sneak peek of what's coming later this year. Currently codenamed F250, Ferrari's flagship has been spotted near the Maranello factory, always heavily camouflaged with disguise panels or black cloth to obscure its details. Our rendering team has created images based on sightings, including a simple line drawing that hints at the production model. The silhouette features a lean and athletic profile, pronounced front fender peaks, and a flat rear deck and tail section. The F250 is expected to draw significant influence from Ferrari's two-time Le Mans winning 499p with a hybrid-assisted V6 powertrain. However, the design also bears a resemblance to the 2022 Vision Gran Turismo, a virtual concept Ferrari created for gamers. The Vision GT concept boasted a 3.0L V6 engine generating 1030 HP and 664 lb-ft of torque, complemented by a 322 HP trimotor hybrid system for all-wheel drive. Ferrari claimed it could sprint to 62 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, 124 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, and lap the Fiorano test track in less than 1 minute and 10 seconds faster than the Ferrari.